I just really like this first part. I thought I'd share it with you guys because I think it depicts what we could be facing today.
This is yet another incident in a long line of treasonable acts committed by a childish and insubordinate colony.
It was a simple protest. One that admittedly got a bit out of hand, but
90,000 shillings of royal merchandise dumped into the harbour.
Mr. Wedderburn.
And while they commit these heinous acts of terrorism, their governor does nothing. Let it all happen right under his nose.
The people of Boston are merely reacting to a policy in which they are forced to purchase.
Nobody is forcing the colonists to behave in this way. They seem quite content subverting the king's authority of their own accord.
They are simply defending their natural rights as Englishmen.
Englishmen? These colonists are committing treason. They are thugs and outlaws, the sons of tyranny. They should be beaten into submission.
Suppose you were to send an additional military force into Boston. What do you think the reaction would be? Your soldiers won't find a rebellion there, but they may inspire one. If you make martyrs of these men, the people of Boston won't see them as sons of tyranny. They'll be seen as sons of liberty.
Mr. Prime Minister, is nothing to be done to quash this insurrection?
I believe there may be.